In this video, we are going to compare two popular air fryer toaster ovens, the Cosori air fryer toaster oven 26.4 QT and the Gourmia air fryer oven. We will look at their features, performance, ease of use, and more. Let's dive into the comparison and find out which one is the better choice for you. The Cosori air fryer toaster oven has a larger capacity than the Gourmia air fryer oven. With its 26.4 QT 25-liter capacity, you can fit up to 6 slices of bread, a 12-inch pizza, or a 5 pounds whole chicken. On the other hand, Gourmia's oven has a smaller capacity but still offers versatility with its multi-cooking functions. The Cosori air fryer toaster oven offers 12 functions, including air fry, roast, bake, broil, and toast, among others, providing more possibilities in the kitchen. Meanwhile, Gourmia's air fryer oven offers 12 one-touch digital presets, which deliver the best results for various dishes. Both air fryer ovens offer rapid heat circulation technology, but the Cosori air fryer toaster oven comes with 6 heat elements, 2 speed fans, and temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing cooking up to 30% faster than traditional convection ovens. Gourmia's fat removal technology in the air fryer basket removes up to 90% of fat through the cooking process. The Cosori air fryer toaster oven has a VSync app that allows you to smart cook with your phone, make meals at the touch of a button, or enjoy hands-free control of your toast oven by connecting to Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Additionally, it also has external removable crumb trays and non-stick food trays that make cleaning a breeze. The Gourmia air fryer oven is dishwasher safe, making it easy to clean. The Cosori air fryer toaster oven is priced at $149, while the Gourmia air fryer oven is priced at $79, making Gourmia's option more budget-friendly. So which one should you buy? Both air fryer toaster ovens offer unique features and perform great. The Cosori air fryer toaster oven is a great investment for those who want more cooking options, the convenience of a smart cooking app, and larger capacity. On the other hand, the Gourmia air fryer oven is a more budget-friendly option with fat removal technology and dishwasher-safe features. We hope this comparison helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more product review videos.